Hi, my name is Sam Smalden. I'm the president of Trochu Housing Corporation, and we're presenting to you the Trochu Seniors Supportive Living Facility project, which we plan to build in Trochu, Alberta. We welcome you to this project. This is a much needed project. It will provide 40 units of 24/7 health care. It will provide 16 units of lodge housing and services, and will provide for 24 life lease independent living units. It will be located in Trochu, primarily because it's going to replace the St. Mary's Covenant Care facility that currently has been in Trochu for a very long time and is in need of replacement. So the 58 units there will come to live in the 80 units that are at the new project. We're very excited about this. It's a $32 million project, and we expect to apply for capital grants from the government to get their support. We have Covenant Health as our partner to deliver health care, and we have Nehill County as supporting us financially and backing our borrowing to be able to build this project. The operations will be managed by Covenant Care, and the owner of the building will remain to be the Trochu Housing Corporation.
We are very, very excited about the new 80-bed facility going on the north end of our community. It's been a great partnership between the community of Trochu, the people and the council of Nehill County, and the Covenant Health. We're looking forward to great things ahead, and we are really, really happy that we are going to be able to have our seniors that build our community spend their later years in life back in our community or stay in our community. Either way, it's going to be an awesome thing.
I'm very excited about this project. I used to work at St. Mary's for 15 years, and this is going to be another good thing for the seniors and everything, because it's nice when they can come in and stay their whole last few years in a facility and not have to move all over the place.
I'm very excited about the opportunity to build this facility in Trochu. I think it will give us the opportunity to keep our seniors locally, to let them move back to the community, and I think it's going to be a great tool for the town of Trochu and the Nehill community itself.
Because I'm a senior now, I have a vested interest in this project, and looking forward to hopefully moving into it whenever it gets built. And I would like to thank all the people who worked so hard on making this project feasible, and to the county for stepping up to the plate with us.
I'd really like to express my excitement for this project. I've been working on this project for many years, beginning in 2009 with St. Mary's Healthcare Center, and I've been invited and was appreciated to be invited to continue on this project. I feel this is a much needed project, not for Trochu itself, but for the Nehill community and surrounding area. It will bring seniors together. It will bring seniors to a facility that is well needed in this area. I appreciate everyone's support and look forward to us getting this building up and running.
It's really great. The project that we're working together with Trochu Housing Corporation on, we're really looking forward to continue to provide care to seniors in the area, just as the sisters had before us for many, many years. And we are looking forward to our full campus of care, where we can keep couples whole and families together, and where we can provide them with services, whether it's lodge services, whether it's home care, whether it's supportive level living or long-term care. We just want to keep them close to the community they are in and have grown up in.
One other real cool thing about having this facility come to Trochu is the economic impact it's going to have on our community. Not only will we be saving or replacing approximately for 35 jobs at our existing St. Mary's Covenant Health facility, but we'll be adding another 30 or so. Plus, with a $32 million project, it's going to be really good to have all the activity we'll have a lot of people on the work site that will be spending money in our community, and I think it's just going to be great for the whole economy in the local area.
So we welcome you to learn more about this project, and if you have any questions, I'll be glad to answer them. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.